People, I'm sorry. You've never before heard me say those words, or even the individual letters that make them up. But I am, and with a huge amount of modesty, I humbly beg your forgiveness.
Uh-oh. I have a worrisome shriveling sensation in my sprenger.
How the Hulk did you end up with the Doomsday device?
I was working the long con all along. While sawing off the professor's hand with an extremely dull saw, I had some time to think. So I asked myself, who could use a Doomsday device more? The scammers or me, Bender? After several minutes of sawing, I knew the answer. Me, Bender. So I retrieved the dummy satchel. And as soon as I was out of the scammer's control, I pulled the old switcheroo. And that's how I saved Earth and am the greatest.
There, your body's good as new. Just pop in an executive suppository every few... What is it?
Nothing.
It's supposed to be a celebration, Leela. Winnie Wham Wham Wazzle.
I was going to be married. I was so happy.
Well, maybe you'll meet someone else someday.
You don't understand. Lars is the only man I'll ever love. I know it in my heart.
You remember when we first met?
It was right there in the cryogenic lab. 8 years ago today.
Meet me there in 5 minutes. It's important. Why are you so sad, Lilu? Him again? Wait a second. Are you two... Adanarjuat, Fufu, come here. We have to set Lilu free. She needs what'll make her happy, not what'll make me happy.